whatever anybody may say. And the reason I'm saying it is an excellent budget because I took pain to read the budget last night, and what I noted was that he has covered each and every sector. He has covered each and every what do I say? Each and every he's gone through all the needs of each and every section of society, and he has tried to give relief, tried to give whatever possible vis-a-vis government support is necessary. He has tried to give it across to all across the state of Goa. He has not been partial. He has not been. Credit to him. He has even done justice to the constituencies that are right now in the hands of the opposition. And I once did ask him, and his argument and answer to me was, we have supporters in all constituencies. So just because the constituency is not represented by a BJP MLA doesn't mean that I should not do work there, which I believe is a quality which is rare to be seen, and in our Chief Minister we find that quality. So I would like to congratulate him for this budget. I wish him all the best, and having noted his style of working for the last 6 years, I'm sure he will deliver on whatever commitments he has given in the budget. He has, he has also mentioned about the support he has received from our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi. And as we talk of double Sarkar engine, I'm sure the double Sarkar engine will move at full speed in Goa. And besides what has been announced in the budget, many more schemes, many more benefits will be brought to all of us here in Goa. Once again, I congratulate him for having come out with such an excellent budget. He has been able to succeed to come out with the budget because he has taken pains. He has not been able to finalize the budget just like that. He has had meetings with various sectors. He's had meetings with industrialists. He's had meetings with people of various sections of society, felt their needs and incorporated whatever he could in the budget. So once again, I congratulate him on behalf of the people of Goemkarponn constituency, and I wish him all the very best.